Here's a yoga tutorial for reverse legs up the wall. This one's going to be a little bit more challenging. So you're going to start facing away from the wall. You're going to bring your knees to where the wall meets the floor. Coming down to the floor. So this will be your starting position with the shins up against the wall. And from here, you could straighten the legs, sliding the feet up the wall. And you could go through this pose in stages at different heights, with each height being a little bit more challenging, getting a deeper stretch. So the gaze will be forwards here. I'm just turning to look to the camera. You don't really want to do that. Chin to the mat, hands underneath the shoulders. And you're going to walk the hands back towards the wall, pressing your legs further up the wall. So this will be a deep psoas stretch. Maybe bringing the knees to the wall. And at some point, this will be a little bit like a supported chin stand. And to go deeper, you could bend the legs, drawing the feet down towards the head. So a little bit like scorpion pose. So this is pretty intense. And then to exit, sliding forwards, bending the legs, bringing the knees back to the floor. Ooh, it's hard to talk in that position. Coming back upright, back to a kneeling position. And I'll do that once more, giving a front view, different camera angle. Okay, reverse legs up the wall with a front view. Bringing the knees to where the wall meets the floor. And then walking the hands back, pressing the feet further up the wall. And sliding back down, returning to kneeling. So this is a pretty intense back bend, and it'll give a deep stretch to your psoas muscle.